can give you rest. Surrender, come to Him. In verse 29, He said in Matthew chapter 11 verse 29, "Take my yoke upon you and learn from me, for I am gentle and humble in heart, and you will find rest for your soul." Your soul is weary. Your soul is weak. Your emotion, your spirit is weak because you are burdened, carrying that burden. In verse 30, Jesus said, "For my yoke is easy and my burden is light." You can experience that release in your pain, release in your spirit, in your soul, in your psyche, in your emotion. You can feel that release. You can feel that release. Release it to Christ. So